Welcome back to the Tomato Team with Casey Cruz, where I recycle stuff and give them second chances. For today's project, I will show you how to make an art and craft storage box. You know, school is about to start, and there are so many things you need to prepare and also to organize art and craft stuff. Like me as a teacher, I need all these things. So if you are interested, continue watching this video. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's get started. So to start this project, you need to cut your cardboard into these sizes. 1 10 by 19 centimeter, 2 10 by 10 centimeter, 2 10 by 18 centimeter, and 1 18 by 17.5 centimeter. Once your cardboards are cut and ready, get your 18 by 17.5 centimeter and we will cut this into this shape. So basically, using your cutter, your ruler, and your pencil, you draw at the diagonal lines on the corner like this. And then make a 3 inches distance from that diagonal line you made, and then make another diagonal line here, same on the other side, and then 3 inches from the top and 3 inches from the bottom. Okay, so once you have that, we'll cut the edge. Once you are done and all your cardboards were cut and ready, you need to cover this one using our wallpaper. So now we will assemble this. So let's start with our base. The base is the one that we have 19 by 10. So this one is the base. I'll leave this one because anyways it will be covered. So you will use your 18 by 17.5 that was cut into this shape. You will put the glue here and stick this one in the middle. Our 10 by 10, we will glue them on the side like this. Now we get our 18 by 10 cardboard and we will stick this one in this side and the other one on the other side. So now once everything is dry, you get your toilet paper tube. You have 8 of this. So we're going to put 4 in this side and 4 on this side. And you're done. You have your art and craft storage box. So now you have your toolbox or craft box. You can put your paint, your glue, and then let's say all your pens and markers and pencils on this side. And then you can put your brush on the other side, some cutter, markers, and your pens. And you're ready to go! I hope you find this project very helpful and you enjoy this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification button for more projects like this. Remember guys, if I can do it, you can do it too. See you next week. Bye-bye!